and gentlemen, welcome to Tech Tea Time. Here we're discussing the hot topics of IT decision makers in the context of Accelerate Digital Now episode 2. This means we talk today what happens tomorrow at Hannover Messe. This is the manufacturing industry, and that's why I've brought Christian Maaßen with me. He's partner connected industry at Deticon. Christian, what's in the first episode of Tech Tea Time and why does it matter?
It matters because we will talk about how to optimize production on the shop floor, how to find the potential for data business ecosystems in the right combination of technologies like 5G, Edge, IoT, and AI, how to bring it all together and turn them from use cases into business cases.
A lot of fancy and funky topics to listen to, so join us at the first episode of Tech Tea Time and, of course, at Hannover Messe. If you don't have a ticket, please check your ticket right now and book a session that fits to your needs. Meet many interesting experts. Christian will be there and his colleagues as well. We see you at Tech Tea Time at Hannover Messe. Goodbye.